So Mr. Mayor, he's trying all he can according to his power to get back the depot. Well, not get back, but to get the depot on his hands. But it looks like Caesar is always 10 steps ahead, and it was so embarrassing and shameful to find that Umeya goes into a place, in fact, go into Caesar's territory where he has marked and he was present for the show. Ladies and gentlemen, as you can already see, we're going to be reviewing Smoke and Mirrors. Sanbanan Abshin Molweni Minjani. Hipukile hingangwina. So namutlha ka kwa hina wa Smoke and Mirrors. Yukuma kurusula samiseke gatle. Looking at the fact that Ukayise, she is not happy with everything that has been happening. Ufilo ngathi abantu backstage and kahle kahle she does not even know who she is, whom she is, because manje athi yena uyeka yonke into shiya phansi uhamba nalomlisi omusha angamazi, because actually nobody knows her and nobody cares about her, and as a matter of fact no one can tell her ukuthi ayiphile kanjani impilo yakhe because she's 18 years old. She can take good care of herself. She went as far as telling uma wakhe wamkhulisa ukuthi uyinyumba wena awuzali, so there's nothing that you can tell me. Umfundisi tried ukuthi amshaye, but then it was not really successful. On the other hand, uMartha decided ukuthi ayobona lo mlisa bekamhlukumeza, but it really did not go down well. But Martha decided she was going to go to the police station and ask for a restraining order, which was not successful as well. But this guy, is he not Kayisi's father? If Bebamhlengula 18 years, Kayisi